Good morning, family. Hope you all are doing well. Today, I just wanted to give a small story which I learned. I also wanted to share with you all. Regarding that integrity versus deceiving or cheating. It will be applicable in either in a job sector, even in day-to-day relations, day-to-day family affairs, and other areas also. This will work. This will be dominant area, which generally people look at it. Once upon a time, one big corporate company owner would like to retire from his duties, and he wanted to give the throne to somebody from his office colleagues who are all capable to take up the position. But here question comes whether he is having children or not. Though he is having a children, he wanted to give it to his company people, where he believes that capable people only can handle. But nowadays it will not work in our present generation companies. Only next generation people only will take over the charges. So he announced in the company, he called all the employees from the company and conducted a meeting and informed them, this is my plan. So I wanted to select one of you to take over my charge. So everybody is excited, everybody wanted to show their, what you can say that, boss wanted to take that charge. So what happened, he mentioned that he also put a condition that I wanted to put a test before I announce somebody. So what he has done is, he has given the seeds to everybody and asked them to make the plants, grow the plants and come back to him, and he wanted to decide after 3 months. Everybody took those seeds and went to their homes and planted those seeds and nurturing them. And everybody is discussing about it every month, what is the progress and other things. Everybody was discussing, colleagues, my plant become like this, my plant become like this, my plant has grown better than you, and all these things are happening. Out of those people, maybe either 10 or 15, I don't know the numbers, but one person could not able to grow the seeds. He was actually worrying what to do, I am not able to grow the seed, and he was putting the same worry in front of his wife. Wife mentioned that, why don't you try to get some fertilizers and grow that seed. He tried and he brought the fertilizers from the market and he tried to sow the seeds and with the fertilizers, and nothing is going in vain, everything is going vain, and nothing is getting any results. But he is very anxious, I don't know, he can't do anything, and he is trying and he's tried level best. Finally D-Day has come. Owner has called all the people with their plants. Everybody took their plants and they were discussing, and my plant is bigger, that fellow will definitely get out of this place because he couldn't able to even make soil seed to grow. So owner informed them, keep quiet, I will decide what to do, please wait, give me a chance to finalize. After seeing all the people's owner announced that whoever is not able to grow the seed is the winner. Everybody is on surprise mode. How come it will be? We made it and we grown that seeds and our plants are more better than anybody, and all these things they were discussing. and asked how he has selected that gentleman. He informed these people saying that I have given the coffee bean seeds from the coffee machine. You people have brought some coffee seeds from outside and grown the seeds. And that fellow who is genuine and he didn't even think anything, whatever the boss has given, he has tried to grow the seeds. And he didn't succeed because the seeds are not correct for the growing the plant. So he is genuine and he is having the integrity to the company. So moral of the story is integrity is more important than anything else. Cheating the company is definitely will not achieve any results and will not give any results. So friends, this is my story today. This is Rambabu signing off today. I'll come up with another story tomorrow. Thank you all. Good day.